line. We got one more school here. We have Calico Plains. Thank you. High school here from Calico Plains, Tennessee.
Rolling.
Talking to Ken Beanie from Wadsworth, Ohio here. He's going to be driving the tractor here in a few minutes. Tell us about your tractor here, Ken.
Oh, it's a homemade tractor with the guys at my shop and we built it. We never did anything like that before, really. We just built that tractor, and it started out as a 2-engine tractor, and then it became a 3-engine tractor, and now this year it's a 4-engine tractor. So we just keep changing it around, and it's made to look like a Farmall 1066, kind of one of my favorite tractors, but that stuff's all home. We just made that. It's all built.
That's homemade.
Yeah, it's all homemade to look like the regular, big old international stuff look kind of big on there.
What class is this tractor in?
This is called modified.
Modified?
Yeah.
What weight?
7,800 pounds.
Okay. And how much work does this take for you to do this?
Well, if I had it to do over again, I wouldn't. I'll put it that way.
Okay. He is your leader here in the competition with the smoking hot deer.
Who are you pulling for here tonight?
International.
International? Why you like the red?
I guess
Louisville?
All right, fans, we'll continue on here. The top 6 tractors out of this class will go to Saturday night.
Burgersville?
Top 6
Tennessee?
will go to Saturday night in the competition. So we'll let you know who the 6 guys are at the end of the
What? So you drive red at home?
As far as the class here at Super Stocks, we will let you know.
We got
fight will be up next.
You got green at home?
Right now.
You got green at home, but you're going for red. Why?
I guess right
You trying to get your dad to drive red at home? Yeah. I understand that. But you're wearing green.
Okay, here we go. Resign away. Left player, Pennsylvania. Aaron Green.
We need a case man over here.
The case man.
A case man. You pull both? You guys are pullers? When are you going to pull?
I pull a 50-40 John Deere.
When's that going?
We don't pull here.
Oh, you're not pulling
here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, why is deer better than case?
I don't know. Because you like the color?
Why is case better than deer?
Because we like the color.
It's all the color?
Yeah, it's all the color.
It?
It's all the same under the hood.
Is it? Why?
Grand National Circuit and such as that, but he comes over, he'll be like his picture in Iowa from our side. The unusual thing of 1486, not 66.
I got an answer. Because if International had balls, they'd be dragging the ground. Okay?
And where would deers be?
Be like a little gilding or whatever you'd say. A barrow. Yeah.
You pull too?
I pull Friday night.
Friday night?
Yeah.
What's the name of your tractor?
Sandhill Binder.
Sandhill Binder. What class?
Pro stock.
Alright.
2 pro stock.
Alright. Great. Watch for it on AgWeb. Farm Journal, you read the AgWeb website? Alright. Thanks, guys.
You'll quote me?
I can. What's your name? Actually, we need to get your name.
Tim Overmeyer.
Tim Overmeyer.
Yeah.
Deers are like a gilding.
No.